Do you want to get away from the noise and stress of Lagos? Are you looking for a home that is both luxurious and eco-friendly? How about an investment that grows in value over time? What if you could live somewhere peaceful, close to nature, and still enjoy the modern comforts? How much would it mean to you if your property kept increasing in value? And how wouldn't it be great to own a home that is good for your health, saves on power bills, and helps the environment? If you said yes to any of this, then let me introduce you to Isimi Lagos, the resort estate that offers all this and more in one amazing place. Life in Lagos can be really stressful with all the noise and crowds. Isimi Lagos is designed to give you a break from that. Imagine waking up to quiet mornings with birds singing and fresh air around you. It's a peaceful, calm place to live. Lagos has a lot of pollution, but not here. Isimi Lagos is full of green spaces and fresh air. It's perfect for your health with areas for walking, biking, and staying active. It's a place where you can feel your best every day. Are you tired of power outages and relying on noisy generators? Isimi Lagos runs on renewable energy, meaning you have steady power day and night. Plus, this helps save on electricity costs over time. Isimi Lagos is built with your safety in mind. It's a gated community with latest security systems, so you and your family can feel safe at all times. If you're looking to invest, Isimi Lagos is one of the best places to put your money. Property values here are set to go up as the area grows, so buy now means your investment will likely to be worth a lot more in the future. Isimi Lagos gives you luxury living while also protecting nature. Here, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, modern comforts in a beautiful, eco-friendly setting. Homes in Isimi Lagos come with smart technology that makes life easier, like automated lights, high-tech security. This adds value to your home and makes everyday living more comfortable. Because Isimi Lagos uses renewable energy, you save money on utility bills. It's a smarter, more affordable way to live. When you live in Isimi Lagos, you are joining a special community of people who also value peace, wellness, and luxury. It's a place where you can make strong connections and feel right at home. Isimi Lagos isn't just a home, it's also a place for tourists who want to visit. With all its natural beauty, it's going to be a great option for rental income if you want to lease your property. Isimi Lagos is more than just a property. It's a chance to live in a peaceful, eco-friendly, high-value community. If you want a calm lifestyle with growing investment potential, Isimi Lagos is the right choice. Contact the number on the screen today to learn more and secure your place in this one-of-a-kind resort estate. At Isimi Lagos, you can live the life you've always dreamt of, with plus sizes ranging from 300 square meters, 500 square meters, 1,000 square meters, and more. You can secure a place here at 300,000 naira per square meter. And we also have building projects such as the Nature Cottage and the Lodge, which is going to be managed by Radisson Blu, a hotel-style one-bedroom. My name is Benga Phillips, also known as Mr. Property Matchmaker of GP Homes. What I do best is to help individuals and companies create assets that provide steady and reliable income that will fund their dream life. If you found value in this video, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on our notification, like, comment, and share, because you'll be doing someone that needs to see this a favor. This is for the 1% of the 1%. Until I come your way next time. Bye.